friends, good afternoon. And I think we are just about to start this very interesting session, that is knowing the secrets of the calculator. As all of you all are aware that basic operations is what is allowed in the examinations. However, with the use of the simple calculator that we have, something like this, I think there are complex situations, problems that can be handled. Operations which are as such not permitted in the exams can also be handled smartly. So this session is where we have Vivek, who is doing this session for the third time actually. He's done this twice before. It's the third time, and there has been an overwhelming response in the earlier two sessions as well. So he will be conducting this session and you will learn a lot of things. And I'm sure that you are going to enjoy the session because I'm sure he'll carry a lot of humor as well. And many of you all should try to record the session if it is possible at your end, because it's going to be a great value add. We will also try and edit it and put it in one of the platforms that the college has so that you could have access to it. I hope there's great learning. And with those words, I would like to welcome Vivek over here, and I would also like to hand over a memento to him to mark this occasion. So let's have a clap for Vivek.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. So, see, I have got my calculator with myself. Do you have your calculator with yourself? First of all, say yes or no. Do you have your calculator with yourself? Fine. Great. So, let us not waste much of time. Let us begin the session. First of all, I'm going to explain you the basic keys that a calculator has. We all know that we have got number keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 00, dot. We know everyone this basic keys. Apart from that, we have buttons like division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, an equals to button, a percentage button, a M plus button, M minus, MRC, clear entry, that is CE, square root, plus minus, markup, GT. This all things a basic calculator of a Citizen City 512 carries out. This session is going to be very interesting if you listen to it with a proper attention. Attention is required. We need you all to focus the attention. Okay. So first of all, let me explain you the meaning of M plus. The meaning of M plus means memory plus. The meaning of M plus means memory plus. Whatever we want to add in the memory of the calculator, we use the button M plus. Same with M minus, that is memory subtraction. But sir, why do we need a M plus or M minus button if we have a subtraction and addition button? You can see that we have a plus button. You can see this, we have a plus button, but we have M plus also. So when to use plus, when to use M plus, that is more important. When we have multiple operations involved and each operation needs to be added or subtracted later on, that means memory plus and memory minus. If you have a single operation, use plus minus. But if I have multiple operations, I need to use what? M plus and M minus. We will go into all these things further later in the detail. Next is MRC. Next is MRC. Suppose if I do 5M plus and then I try to see a calculator, there is a M button in my screen. The screen, in the calculator screen, if there is a M button, if the screen shows M, that means the calculator in its memory has something. So be very careful. when you are using the special buttons, M plus, M minus, everything else, be very specific about the M sign in the screen. Before starting with any sum, press MRC twice. Note it down. Note it down. Note it down. Before starting any fresh sum, before starting any fresh sums, we have to press twice. The very first time when you press the button MRC, it is M plus, memory recall. It is MR means memory recall. And then it is MC, that is memory clear. That is memory clear. That is why whenever we are using the button MRC, we are using it 2 times, because the first time when you use it, it functions the function of memory recall, and the second time when we use it, it is memory clear. It is memory clear. Okay. What is the function of GT? What is the function of GT? Grand total, gross total. Yeah, either you can say that is grand total or a gross total. But what does GT means? GT means, listen very carefully. GT means whenever we press this equals to button. Can you see this equals to button? Whenever we press this equals to button, there is a value. There is a value in the calculator which pops up. GT gives us the total of all those value. GT gives us the total of all those value whenever an equals to sign is pressed in the calculator. Grand total gives us the total of all the values that pops up in the screen, whenever we have what? We press equals to button on the screen. Whenever we press equals to button on the screen. The very first secret that we are going to learn today will be to calculate square. To calculate square. Note it down. All of you note it down. How to calculate square? How to calculate square? Generally what we do, 5 into 5 equals to 5 into 5 equals to 5 into 5 equals to 5 into 5 equals to. But now what we will do, we will simply press 5 into equals to. Write down the shortcut. Write down the shortcut of how to calculate square. How to calculate square. 5 into equals to. 5 into equals to. This is the way to calculate square. No need to press 5 into 5 again. Simply press 5 into equals to. Simply press 5 into equals to. The very first trick is to how to calculate square. Please note it down. We have to press the number and then we have to press multiplication once and then we have to press the equals to sign. Then we have to press the equals to sign. Let us try calculate 10 square. Calculate 10 square. 15 square. 22.5 square. 30 square. Nice. Next secret, how to calculate reciprocal. Type the number, press divide equals to. if I want to calculate the reciprocal of 4, generally I used to do 1 divided by 4 equals to, but now simply type the number, press divide, and then equals to only once. This is how we calculate reciprocal. This is how we calculate reciprocal. We have to type the number, press divide once, and then we have to press equals to sign. Once again, I am repeating, type the number, type the number, type the number, press divide, and then we have to press equals to sign. Calculate the reciprocal of 6. Calculate the reciprocal of 6. Calculate the reciprocal of 8. Calculate the reciprocal of 15. 1, 5, 15. No need to do 1 divided by 15 equals to. Simply we are going to do what? Variable divide equals to. We are going to do what? Variable pressing divide then equals to. Okay. Let us move to some difficult tricks. Next, third one. How to calculate a to the power n. Very, very, very important. When we have got higher powers like power 5, power 6, power 9, power 10, we will simply press the number. We will simply type the number, then press equals to once. Then we will press equals to once. Into once equals to n minus 1 times. Type the number, press multiplication once, and then press equals to n minus 1 times. In the given slide, I have taken 1.04 whole to the power 5. This all calculations are used for annuity, compound interest, and so. What we need to do? We have to press in the calculator 1.04. We have to press in the calculator 1.04. I'm repeating once again, 1.04, and then I have to press multiplication once. Multiplication once equals to how many times? जितना पावर होगा उससे एक कम. जितना पावर होगा उससे एक कम. Equals to 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will get the desired result. That is 1.21665. That is 1.21665. Once again, I am telling you, जितना भी पावर हो, पावर में 4 होगा, 3 होगा, 9 होगा, 8 होगा. What we have to do? We have to type the number, press multiplication once, and then press equals to n minus 1 times. How many times? How many times we are going to press equals to n minus 1 times? Now tell me, agar power में 7 है, if the power of a variable is 7, how many times equals to? 6 times. If the power is 10, how many times equals to? 9 times. If the power is 2, how many times equals to? 1. If the power is 3, how many times equals to? 2 times. So now देखते हैं आप में और मेरे में सबसे पहले कौन निकालता है? 1.05 to the power 8. 1.05 to the power 8. The answer is 1.34009. 1.05 to the power 8. See, 1.05 to the power 8. The answer is 1.34009. What is the answer? 1.05 to the power 8. 1.05 to the power 8. The answer is 1.477455. Now we will learn how to calculate power, higher powers. Suppose I need to calculate power 30. Yes, Shubham Tigrania, I got your question. What if the nth power is too long? We have to break the powers. We have to break the powers into shorter one. Listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. How to calculate higher power? Note it down. Note it down. Higher power can be broken up to smaller powers. Higher power can be broken up to smaller powers and then calculated accordingly. And then calculated accordingly. And then calculated accordingly. See, we have taken an example 1.04 to the power 6 into 5. 1.04 to the power 6 into 5. What we have to do? First, we have to calculate to the power 6. Then the desired output result will be calculated to the power 5. Wait, just hold on. Press 1.04 in the calculator. Then press multiplication once. First, we have to calculate power 6. How many times equals to for calculating power 6? 5 times. So 1.04 into equals to 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is coming to 1.2653. ऐसा कुछ आ रहा है सबका? Correct? अब इसका power 5 निकालना है. अब इसका power 5. Then again press into equals to how many times? 4 times. Because now the power is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. The right answer is 3.24339 something. We have to break the powers in smaller things and then we will calculate accordingly. Now focus on the presentation and note down the steps. First step 1.04. First step 1.04. Second step, press multiplication once. Third step, press equals to 5 times. Press equals to how many times? 5 times. Again press multiplication once. Again press multiplication once. And then we are going to press equals to, and then we are going to press equals to 4 times. Because we have broken the power into 6 into 5. आप लोग चाहे तो 5 into 3 into 2 में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं या 10 into 3 में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. You can use anything. Okay. Let us give you a small task. 1.02 to the power 50. 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 50. So what I am going to do, 50 को मैं break करूंगा 5 into 5 into 2 में. I am going to break 50 in 5 into 5 into 2. So 1.02 into once equals to how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again into once. Again how many times equals to? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last में power कितना है? 2. Again press into once equals to once. We are getting the answer as 2.6915. 2.691. The 75 जब कोई बड़ा पावर आता है ना, हम लोग उसको छोटे छोटे पावर में ब्रेक कर देते हैं. And by applying the laws of indices, what we are going to do, we are going to break the power of a power. Power of a power means power gets multiplied. Okay. If power is 23, then you have to press equals to 20 times. Make a note of it. Very good question, Rishabh. I appreciate. Make a good point. You have made a good point. Make a note of it. Make a note of it. If power is a prime number, if power is a prime number, if power is a prime number, we have to press that number times equals to, we have to press that number times equals to, that means agar prime number is 23, then we have to press equals to 22 times. We cannot do anything. Or else use the value of log and anti-log. Use the value of log and anti-log. Use the value of log and anti-log. Now there are very good questions that are being raised by the students. If the power is in fraction, give me a little time, I will come back to that. Is it clear to all of you? If the power is in point, you have to convert that into fraction and then. Yeah, Abhirup De, very good idea. What Abhirup De has said, agar prime number hai, say for example, if 73 is the power, right? If 73 is the power, can we calculate 70? Can we calculate 70 in calculator? Yes or no? Can we calculate? Then multiply that term 3 times. 70 plus 3. Okay. If power is 73, first you calculate the answer for 70 times and then you multiply 1.03 3 times. Is it clear? So अब power का हम लोग को आ गया कैसे करना है. Now we will learn how to calculate negative power. Make a note. How to calculate negative power. How to calculate negative power. If power is minus n. If power is minus n, we have to type the number. We have to type the number. We have to type the number. Now we have to press divide. Now we have to press the sign of divide and then equals to 10 times, not n minus 1 times. Here we are doing n times only. Make a clear note of it. Make a clear note of it. When we calculate to the power n, when we calculate to the power n, we press equals to n minus 1 time. We press equals to n minus 1 times. But when we need to calculate minus n in the power, when we need to calculate minus n in the power, then we have to press equals to n times. How many times? N times. मतलब जितना power उतना बार equals to. So let us try the given sum. 1.08 divide. We have to press only once. Now how many times equals to will be pressed? How many times equals to will be pressed? 9 times or 10 times? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My answer is 0.46319. My answer is 0.46319. Take an example. Solve yourself. 1.1 to the power minus 10. 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 The right answer is 0.3855. So very good. Very good. Why? How we did this? How we did this? कैसे किया हम लोगों ने? We pressed 1.1. 1.1 divide how many times? 1 times equals to how many times? Equals to 10 times. अब कोई पूछेगा नहीं मेरे से, सर अगर पावर बढ़ा हुआ तो कोई पूछो. What if it is minus 40, minus 30, minus 50? ब्रेक कर देंगे. ब्रेक. मेरा बात सुनो ध्यान से, ध्यान से. Can we write a to the power minus n as 1 by a to the power n? and then calculate the reciprocal. Okay. And then calculate the reciprocal. So write a note. If the power is large, if the power is large, first calculate as if there is no negative sign in the power. First calculate as if there is no negative sign in the power. Later on, press divide equals to. Later on, press divide equals to. That is a to the power minus n. A to the power minus n is the reciprocal of a to the power minus n is the reciprocal of a to the power n. A to the power minus n is the reciprocal of a to the power n. A to the power minus n is the reciprocal of a to the power n. Okay, we move on ahead. Let us see what is the next one. That is how to calculate when n is big. Move ahead. Simply, we will first calculate as if there is no negative, and then we will subtract, then we'll find out the reciprocal. Then we will find out the reciprocal. Kushal Daga, let me answer your question. You are being very smart in the chat box. CU, Calcutta University, or anyone does not give a calculation which involves more than 12 digits. Okay. And you all know this very better because a normal calculator or any calculator contains only 12 digits. So they will not give a power which is impossible to calculate. Okay, fine. Move ahead, please. Next is we will share all the tricks in a PDF form. Don't worry. Okay. Next is if the power is half, then 1 times square root will do. Suppose take out 16 to the power half. 16 to the power half means what? Square root of 16. 16 to the power half means what? Square root of 16. Correct? Next, 16 to the power 1 by 4. That means 2 times square root. If the power is half, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, it is very easy. When the power is half, we press square root once. When the power is half, we press square root once. When the power is 1 by 4, we press square root twice. When the power is 1 by 6, we do not press square root thrice. Wrong. Wrong. It goes on like this. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. Power 1 by 6 does not imply, power 1 by 6 does not imply that we will square root 3 times. So make a note of it. Make a note of it. A to the power half. It will be 1 by 8. Okay. It will be 1 by 8. Just listen to me. It is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, and so on. There is a technical mistake in the PPT. Please note it very carefully. The flow is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, and so on. Okay. Now, a lot of questions are appearing. What if the power is 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7? Wait, I will come on to it. I will come on to it. Just let me complete this. How to find out the value? 100 to the power 1 by 8. 100 to the power 1 by 8. How many times square root? How many times square root? 3 times. What is the answer? 100 to the power 1 by 8. Very good. Next, 100 to the power 1 by 16. 100 to the power 1 by 16. How many times square root? 4 times. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the flow is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, and so on. And so on. The flow is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, and so on. Okay. Next slide, please. Now we'll move on. How to calculate when the power is 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. See, this is an example of how to calculate 1 by 6. Now please make a note of it. How to calculate 1 by 6. How to calculate power 1 by 6. How to calculate power 1 by 6. We have to press square root 12 times. We have to press square root 12 times. Then subtract with 1. Divided by 6. Why divided by 6? Why divided by 6? Because the power is 1 by 6. अगर पावर में 1 by 5 होता, then divided by 5 होता. अगर पावर में 1 by 3 होता, then divided by 3 होता. Okay. After dividing it, press plus 1 and then into equals to in sequence 12 times. I am repeating once again. Please listen to it very carefully. We are going to calculate 100 to the power 1 by 6. This is shortcut, Shraddha. This is a shortcut. Okay. This is this is a mandatory thing. I'm explaining because this has come from a log and anti-log. This concept has come from log and anti-log. Okay. So we are going to calculate 100 to the power 1 by 6. 100 square root how many times? 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1 divided by 6 plus 1. उसके बाद एकदम ध्यान से देखो, इनटू के बाद इक्वल्स टू नहीं है, इसमें क्या है? इनटू इक्वल्स टू इट इज इन सीक्वेंस. इनटू इक्वल्स टू Kushal Daga, if you have not been given the scientific calculator, how to calculate power 1 by 6, please explain me. If this is a long process, if you do not have a scientific calculator, how to calculate power 1 by 6? See, all these tricks will work in the calculator which have a button on by AC. अगर आपके कैलकुलेटर में ऑन बाय एसी का बटन है तो इट विल वर्क. अगर आपके कैलकुलेटर में एसी बाय ऑन का बटन है, it will not work. That is why I have told several times in the class that it should be on by AC or simply on or simply AC. How to calculate logarithm with respect to base 10? How to calculate logarithm with respect to base 10? How to calculate logarithm with respect to base 10? Only step 1. Only step 1. Only step 1 is variable. बाकी सब सेम रहेगा. Only step 1 is variable. Here we have taken the example of log 2. अगर log 5 बोलते तो step 1 में खाली 5 आ जाता, बाकी सारा प्रोसेस सेम रहेगा. Square root 12 times. Square root 12 times minus 1 into 1779 equals to. Okay. So how many, what we have to do? How many times square root? How many times square root? 12 times. Then subtract 1 into 1779 equals to. This 1779 will be fixed. This 1779 will be fixed. Okay. Calculate log 5. Log 5, log 7. Log 5 and log 7. Please try to calculate in the calculator itself. Yes, it's applicable only for base 10. It's applicable only for base 10. Because the syllabus which we have in BCom, it mostly takes base 10 only. Okay. Clear है सबको? Is it clear to everyone? Can I have a yes? Those who are attending the session seriously, they must have found out very new things, and they will again imply it at home. So they will learn gradually. Fine. Can you please change the slide? How to calculate anti-log? Very important. Yes, 1779 is fixed. How to calculate anti-log? We have taken an example of 0.3010. We have taken an example of, it is 0.3010. We have taken an example of 0.3010. 0.3010. We have to reverse the process. Remember Rajesh Khanna? Pushpa. Entire step will be reversed. Entire step will be reversed. Log निकालने के लिए क्या करना था अपने को? What we used to do in log, the very first step was to press square root. How many times? How many times we press square root? 12 times, right? So square root का effect को हटाने के लिए we have to do square. Into equals to का logic कोई पूछ रहा था मेरे से. Into equals to means doing the square 12 times. Doing the square 12 times. So the logic is we have to press divide 1779 plus 1 and then into equals to how many times? 12 times. Anti-log is the reciprocal of log. If log 2 is 0.3010, then anti-log of 0.3010 will be 2. Anti-log is reverse of log. ठीक है? How to use m plus function? Very, very important. The last half an hour is very important. See, जब हम लोग arithmetic mean निकालते हैं, yeah, the formula is related only to base 10. Because कॉमर्स में बेस 10 ही आता है. x and f दिया हुआ है. fx कैसे निकालना है? 1 into 10 m plus, 2 into 12 m plus, 3 into 13 m plus. m plus करने से क्या होता है? मेमोरी में ऐड होता है. It gets added up in the memory. It gets added up in the memory. 1 into 10 m plus, 2 into 12 m plus, 3 into 13 m plus, and at the last, I have to press MRC how many times? 2 times. Tell me, 1 into 10 m plus करने से you see 10, 2 into 12 m plus करने से 24. ऐसे करके what is the value of summation fx? How to calculate summation fx? simply x into f m plus, x into f m plus, and then at the end, previous slide. Yeah. Then at the end, we have to press MRC how many times? We have to press MRC how many times? 2 times. चलिए फिर से मैं करके देखता हूं. 1 into 10 m plus, 2 into 12 m plus, 3 into 13 m plus, 4 into 14 m plus, 5 into 16 m plus. It is coming to 209. It is coming to 209. It is coming to 209. Is it clear, everyone? How to calculate fx square? fx square कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग? पहले x का स्क्वायर निकालने के बाद फिर f से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Then 1 into equals to gives me the square of x into f m plus. 2 into equals to into 12 m plus. 3 into equals to into 13 m plus. 4 into equals to into 14 m plus. 5 into equals to into 16 m plus. Last में 2 times MRC. It is coming to 799. It is coming to 799. First, calculate the square of the variable, then multiply it with the frequency. First, calculate the square of the variable, then multiply it with the frequency, and then use the function of m plus. And then use the function of m plus. And then use the function of m plus. So nothing is impossible. Without copy and pen, we can calculate fx and fx square, because most of the examples, most of the exams are of MCQ mode. मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. अपने जितने भी एग्जाम्स है, मोस्टली दे आर MCQ एग्जाम्स. वी जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग वंस अगेन. How to calculate fx square? Step 1. Step 1. Calculate the square of the variable. Calculate the square of the variable. And then multiply it with the frequency. Calculate the square of the variable. And then multiply it with the frequency. And then press M plus. And then press M plus. I'm once again repeating the steps. 1 into equals to into 10 M plus. 2 into equals to into 12 M plus. 3 into equals to into 13 M plus. 4 into 14 equals to into 4 m plus. ऐसे करके आपको लास्ट में 2 times MRC करना है. You will get the answer. मैंने एक पूरा बढ़िया से PDF बना दिया है. मैं आफ्टर द सेशन आपसे शेयर कर दूंगा. उसमें स्टेप बाय स्टेप सब एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. ओके, डू नॉट वरी. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. यस यस, ऑलवेज यूज MRC 2 times. अब m प्लस m माइनस दोनों एक साथ कैसे यूज करते हैं? m प्लस m माइनस दोनों एक साथ कैसे यूज करते हैं? तो देखिए 3 into 15 है. नहीं, गलत, मैं भी गलत देख रहा हूं, आप भी गलत देखोगे. इट इज -3 into 15. तो मेरे को क्या करना है? मेरे को क्या करना है? 3 into 15 m माइनस. m प्लस प्रेस नहीं करना है. m प्लस प्रेस करना ही नहीं है. क्या प्रेस करना है? m माइनस. 2 into 5 m minus. 1 into 28 m minus. 0 into 35 m plus. 1 into 10 m plus. 2 into 5 m plus. 3 into 16 m plus, लास्ट में 2 times MRC. Done. Share the steps. It's very simple. जहां जहां नेगेटिव साइन है वहां वहां m माइनस यूज करना है, जहां जहां पॉजिटिव साइन है वहां वहां m प्लस यूज करना है, ठीक है. एंड एट द एंड 2 times MRC, and at the end 2 times MRC. Write down the steps. I'm repeating it once again. 3 into 15 m minus, 2 into 5 m minus, 1 into 28 m minus, 0 into 35 m plus, 1 into 10 m plus, 2 into 5 m plus, 3 into 16 m plus, and at the end MRC twice. The answer will be minus 15. Next. Now see the first case, how to calculate the square. Now we are learning how to use GT. अगर स्क्रीन पर पहले से m है तो 2 बार MRC प्रेस करना पड़ता है. प्रेस MRC ट्वाइस, वो m क्लियर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट स्क्वायर यूजिंग GT. गिव द हेडिंग, how to calculate summation x square using GT. How to calculate summation x square using GT. 1 into equals to, 2 into equals to, 3 into equals to, 4 into equals to, 5 into equals to. सारा कैलकुलेशन हो गया. Now press GT twice. Always press GT twice. Always press GT twice. Reason, note down the reason. Note down the reason. When we press GT once, we get the answer. When we press the GT once, we get the answer. When we press GT for the second time, it clears the memory also. It clears the memory also. If you do not have GT, use m plus. 1 into equals to m plus, 2 into equals to m plus, 3 into equals to m plus, 4 into equals to m plus, 5 into equals to m plus, and at the end press MRC twice. You will get the answer. Next case. We have to press GT twice. Next. One into 10 equals to, 2 into 11 equals to, 3 into 12 equals to, 4 into 13 equals to, 5 into 14 equals to. Press GT twice. You will get the answer. Tell me what is the answer. सबका आ रहा है 190. वेरी गुड. चेंज द केस. नेक्स्ट. वेट करिए, बताइए, सॉल्व करके बताइए कितना आना चाहिए आंसर. 4 डिवाइड इक्वल्स टू, मतलब रेसिप्रोकल निकालना है. थर्ड केस लिखिए, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट समेशन 1 by x. How to calculate summation 1 by x. How to calculate summation 1 by x. Very useful for calculating harmonic mean. 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 Okay? Clear है सबका? Can I see some thumbs up? Fine. Next. Just hold on. अब हमको क्या करना है? Power -1, -2, -3, -4. We have to add also. We have to add also. Then what do we do? What do we do? Simple hai. This is called annuity factor. Sum of the discounting factor is equals to annuity factor. It is basically either in CA foundation for CA aspiring students or in third semester. So what I will do, 1.08 divide equals to m plus, again equals to m plus, again equals to m plus 10 times. And then when I press MRC twice, I will get the answer. So 1.08 divide equals to, it gives me power -1, memory add. 1.08 divide equals to m plus, again equals to m plus, again equals to m plus, again equals to m plus. And at the end, after repeating the same for 10 times, press MRC twice. Show the steps. See the steps. See the steps on your screen. See the steps on your screen. 1.08 divide, then press equals to m plus 10 times. पहले equals to, उसके बाद m plus, simultaneously. Equals to m plus simultaneously कितना बार? 10 times. And then at the end, what we should press? We should press MRC twice. Press. Wait, just hold on. We can also calculate it, that previous. We can also calculate it by way of GT. Case of Sultania, we press MRC twice because when we press MRC once, it is memory recall, and when we press MRC for the second time, it is memory clear. Okay, fine. Next, please. 1.08 divide equals to 10 times and then press GT. You will get the answer. So we can do it. It is equals to 10 times. The equals to sign is missing. 1.08 divide and then equals to 10 times. After pressing equals to 10 times, press GT twice. You will get the answer. So either we can do it by way of memory plus, or we can do it by way of GT. आप देख सकते हैं आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर ऐसा 30 सम्स मैंने सॉल्व किया है. मैं आनंद कुमार तो नहीं हूं आपका, but I have got altogether 30 practicing sums, so that whenever you practice in home, the very first trick was to calculate square. Second wala, third, what was third? Third was power n. Very good. Fourth, when n is big, higher power. Very good. Fifth, power is minus n. Sixth, higher power of negative. Seventh, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, and so on. Eighth, fraction power. Ninth, log. 10, 10 anti-log. 11 was m plus. 12 was GT. And 13 was M plus and GT together. Is it fine, everyone?